Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Little Joe Lake, a quiet and scenic lake in the greater Kenora region of Ontario. Surrounded by rocky shores and tall pine trees, this peaceful spot captures the natural beauty of northwestern Ontario. The Anishinaabe people were the first to travel through these waters, long before any roads or railways arrived. Just a short distance from here, you'll find a historic plaque marking where the last spike of Canada's transcontinental railway was driven on June 19, 1882. While the railway brought change, Little Joe Lake itself has remained a hidden and quiet retreat, untouched by heavy development. It's a perfect place for paddling, fishing, or simply relaxing by the water's edge. Whether you're here to explore the history, enjoy the outdoors, or just listen to the sounds of nature, Little Joe Lake is a peaceful place to slow down and connect with the land. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Little Joe Lake, Ontario. Thanks for watching!